Welcome to a lesson with Dr. Powell. Let's talk about the setup for partial fraction decomposition. So if we have a polynomial divided by another polynomial, we can break this up into nice parts, into a partial sum. So for instance, let's look at an example. What if we have something like x squared plus x plus 1 raised to the third power, and maybe we have x minus 2 raised to the fourth power. We're going to talk about the form this is going to split up into. First of all, we require that whatever's on the top here be a polynomial of degree less than the total degree of the bottom when it's multiplied out, which would be this. So it would be x to the 10th down here. So we require this to be of degree less than or equal to 9 degree. So basically, we just need the top degree to be less than the bottom, and then the following idea will work. So this fraction, we can split up into the sum of things. We split up into groupings of, you see how these two parts don't share any common factors, and it's just in polynomial land at least, and this third, this is the fourth. Well, let's look at powers of this. X squared plus x plus 1 cubed, x squared plus x plus 1 squared, x squared plus x plus 1. We just kind of go down like that, and we have a sum. We also do the same thing for x minus 2. So x minus 2 to the fourth, x minus 2 cubed, x minus 2 squared, x minus 2. Okay. Now, we require that the degree of, see this lower power to the first power right here, the degree over this needs to be less than the degree of this. So it needs to be of degree 1. So it will look something of the sort ax plus b, maybe. Now, the same degree will follow in each of these successively. Cx plus d, and then ex plus f. And this is general enough to get what we need for a general form of how this will decompose right here, where all of these, even though this is much less than this degree, however, it's general enough if we use the same degree as we used when we just had to the first power. Similarly here, this is degree 1, so we need to go to degree 0, like x to the 0, so a constant. So here we could go just a constant. And then that means we can do constants on each of these. And that is the general form for setting up for partial fraction decomposition. In another video, we'll do an example. Thanks for watching.